In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify Horizon theme. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll have the Horizon theme added to your Shopify store and ready to customize. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main backend area where you manage your products, orders, and of course, your store's design. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, find and click on Online Store. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to your website's appearance. When you click it, you'll be taken to your theme library, which shows your current theme at the top and any additional themes you've added below. Now, stay on this page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. On the bottom right corner, you'll see a button labeled Visit Theme Store. Go ahead and click that. Shopify will open the official theme store in a new tab or window. This is where you can browse and add themes like Horizon to your store. Once the theme store loads, look towards the top right corner of the page for the search icon, which looks like a small magnifying glass. Click that icon to open the search bar. In the search bar, type the word Horizon, then pause for a moment and look at the search results that appear. From the results, click on the Horizon theme. After you click it, Shopify will load the Horizon theme's main page, where you can see details, screenshots, and a live preview of how it looks. Give the page a moment to fully load, then look towards the bottom right area of the screen for the button labeled Try Theme. Click on Try Theme to start adding Horizon to your store. You don't need to worry about breaking anything at this point. You're just adding the theme to your library, not making it live yet. Once you click the button, Shopify will begin installing Horizon in the background. This can take a short moment, so be patient and let it finish. When the installation is complete, head back to your Shopify admin tab where your theme library is open. You should now see the Horizon theme listed in your theme library, ready for you to customize, preview, and eventually publish when you're happy with how it looks.